bring you on a journey in building scale models. So stick around, like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share. Thanks. In today's build video, I will be building the US HH-65A Dolphin Helicopter. It is a Coast Guard rescue copter. I'm going to be building this for Sue over at Ice Queen. That's her channel name's helicopter group build that she has going. So let's just jump right in.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid, just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance them away. Now you know how it feels. Now you know you can do it, baby. Spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me.
Pause for an ad. So some of you may have noticed that I am wearing a scale model snail shirt. This is my official merch. I have a online store up where you can buy shirts like this with the X-Acto and the ruler and then the snail at the top. Scale model snail, all different sizes, all different colors. So please go and check that out. I have various different types of shirts, stickers, mugs, anything up there. It's on the Teespring app. I will put the link in the description down below. But guys, these shirts are super comfy and they're super cool. So go and check them out and get yours today. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to be using this nifty little tool so I can cut a perfectly circular piece of masking tape to put on the helicopter. First, you're going to measure the radius to see how large the circle is going to be or small. And then you're going to tighten this thing. Actually, I think I'm loosening it. Okay, and then you're going to use this little crank here. All right, let's see if this works. Ta-da! U.S. Coast Guard Dolphin Helicopter. I accidentally painted this strip right here black when it was supposed to be painted white. Somebody wrote in the comments that is the Secret Service version of a Coast Guard copter. I thought that was kind of funny. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking around and, you know, supporting my channel. I always say it time and time and again, but this is seriously the best community to be a part of online. I adore you guys. I love building models and I love watching all your videos and you guys watching mine. It's just, I appreciate it so much. You guys rock. And with that being said, I hope that everybody has a wonderful weekend. Bye.